The 123 MicroGage by MicroGage is exceptionally accurate, compact, and well made. MicroGage includes rounded and flat tips for the dial indicator that makes it easy to measure on round or flat surfaces. The dial indicator has a large diameter face with clearly printed markings. It includes standard features like a lock for the adjustable face and a repositionable pointer. The steel block is 1 inch thick with 2-inch and 3-inch long sides. The dial indicator mounts to the block with this carriage. Built into the carriage are a pair of magnets that actually hold it to the block. The magnets let you slide the carriage along the block until there's a preload on the dial indicator, then lock it in place and adjust the dial to zero it out. And that's really all there is to setting up the 123 MicroGage. The block itself is precisely machined, so all of its sides are square to each other. That makes it easy to check 90-degree surfaces with the block upright or on its side. The dial indicator can be mounted on the long side or the short side, whichever best suits your job. Install the flat tip, and checking things like joiner knife heights and table relationships is very easy. The flat tip also makes setting table saw blade heights extremely accurate. Zero the 123 MicroGage out on the surrounding table surface, and you can set router bit heights extremely precisely the first time around. With the round tip in place, setting things like router lift plates or table saw inserts is very fast and very accurate. Zero the 123 MicroGage out on a flat surface, and you can measure the diameter of a drill bit with a precision that was very hard to duplicate before. The 123 MicroGage from MicroGage.com is a well thought out, well made tool that makes many alignment jobs faster, easier, and more accurate.